here from for example, I'm taking from 9 to 10. You have 10 lines are divided, correct? Similarly, for 10 to 11 you will be having 10 lines, 11 to 12 you will be having 10 lines, you have so on. So each one division, that is 1 to 2, you will be having a 10 equal parts, 10 equal parts in this. Okay, student. So divider, what is the place or what is the role of a divider, what is the role of one scale? See students, divider and scale having a same position only, but a little will be there. See for your architecture, for example, you take an engineer of architecture engineer, in that they'll be using a divider. See your edge, students, here it is very sharp, this edge is very sharp, so point 1 also will be counted. Where ruler, we can say that from start from here and we'll be having some error in the ruler, some error, it is almost the least error, it is not equal to a 0, it is a very very least error. Okay, fine, I will be not considering as much as. Okay, but divider, when you go to the professional, will be come to know that what is the use of the divider and the scale. Means you have a ruler, what is the position of these two peoples, so it will measure it, that's it. Where divider, it shows an exact point. Okay, exact point will be shown. This is a place of a divider and it is a place of a ruler. How it will be there for your further using. Okay, students, now see here, how many millimeter makes 1 centimeter? Since 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, so 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. How will we write 2 centimeter as in 20 millimeter? 3 means 30. What do we mean by 7.7 centimeter? Means how you write? The point means 7 centimeter 3 millimeters. You will be considering as in 7 as in, yes, centimeter, and 3 millimeters. Okay, students, place the 0 mark on the at A, read the mark on the B. Here this the position is given and this gives supports your answer. So its a length, it is A is marked here, A is marked here, student, and the B is marked here. So what's the length of this? A 5.8 centimeter we may write. So simply this will be at the some error in the procedure. So thickness of the ruler may cause different in reading of his marks on it. I told no why it is differs, means your thickness. See your students, your thickness of the scale. The scale of a different scale, you will be having a different thickness. Okay, student, this thickness, see how it is. It is very very, yes, it is very thick. Okay, student, this will be there. Now next we'll be moving to our next one. Think, discuss and write. What other error difficulty may we face? What kind of the error can occur viewing the mark on a ruler? Make mark on the ruler, it is not proper. How can you can avoid it? Position of error. See here, one thing I'll be I'll be reading this and I'll tell you what is an answer for you. Is exact. Okay. To get correct measurement, the eye should be in the correct position, just vertical above the mark. Otherwise, the error can be happen due to the angular viewing. See a student. I want to measure a line, means I should take a correct position. The eye should be in the correct way. If I'll be keeping placing somewhere else, if I'll measurement, it will be vary somewhere. If I keep the eye in the correct position, if I'll measure it, you will be getting as an correct answer. Clear? This will be 1 point. Next, you have to place the ruler in the correct, even a point, single point you should not leave at all. If it is single point, if you left means the error will be occurred. And you have to see the thickness. More thickness means you will be getting more error. That will be there. And how it is a error will be there more? This error may be different from different eye. Okay. If I'll measure one thing here from here to here, it will be different. Okay, I'll be placing exactly here at the point and I'll be measuring. It is 2.6 centimeters. 2.6 centimeters. Where other things will be a different way. Okay, student. Let we avoid this problem is the better way. Let us use a divider to measure the length. See here, I'm taking this divider, then I'll be measuring. If I measure with the divider, it will be an exact point. It will be a exact point. In the scale, why I'm telling why you will be getting error means in the scale you have a thickness. See your students, you will be having a thickness. This much thickness you will be getting a error. Where in your divider the sharp needle will be there now. Even a single point also will be not counted. Your single point also will be it will be counted, where here thickness will be differed. Okay, student. See here in your geometry box you will be having a ruler, divider. This divider and the ruler will be a different. Your divider and ruler will be different. The ruler, why means because your thickness of the ruler will be differ and your divider will be different. In divider, a small point also will be recognized. Even a small point also will be recognized. In the scale, the thickness will be differ. In the scale, the thickness will be differ. This is a one thing. Okay, fine students. This will be your one thing of measure. And while measuring, you should keep your eye position exactly correctly. To measure anything else in your day-to-day life, if you measure anything else, okay students, if I want to measure this line means I should keep my eye at the correct direction, in correct position, so that the even a point also should not get mixed up. Yeah, even the point also should not get disturbed. Clear student? Now let us go with exercise. I'll be writing this exercise and I'll be showing what is and all will be there. I'll be sending you through the WhatsApp. Exercise 5.1. What is the advantage in comparing line segment by the observation? See here. What is disadvantage in comparing the line segment by observation? See here. If my eye will be saying this maybe 3, where your eye maybe say 4, where other elders will be maybe it will be 2. So this will be the disadvantage. They'll be seeing the position of a point of an eye will be differed. This will be the main disadvantage of the line segment. And next, thickness of the scale. Thickness of the scale. And the divider will be exact. Even a single point will be done. Clear student? This will the first answer. Why it is better to use the divider than the ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? Why it is very important? Means it is because the thickness of the scale will be more compared to the divider of the edge. It is an, you can say that it is exactly 0.1 line point 1 also it will be include, where here thickness of a ruler will be differed. This is our main thing. I'll be writing and sending for you people that this exercise and all. Okay student, I'll be giving the homework and you should do it. Clear students? Until today we are studied here what elementary understanding elementary shapes, measuring the line segment, comparison by the observation, comparing by tracing, what is the comparison of ruler and the divider, what is the use of this ruler and the divider. This is the main thing we are studied today. How we are observing, that is the main thing. Clear student? Thank you. We'll be continuing the next video.